recent premiere of the film Sprinter. Let's check out the action and hear more details.
Set. It's a keen sharp who's now in front. It's a keen sharp who's still win. They're calling this young man the Rat the Rugged.
Have to make my mother proud,
Me carry me. Oh, them if you know so them not gonna ever get the chance to set me up like Mandela.
Mama, have to make my mother proud. Have to make my mother proud.
Not in track and field, not in life.
You seem to have come out of nowhere. Now you're being hailed Jamaica's next big sprinting sensation.
Big up on yourself, yo. I mean, we made this happen. Everybody really sweated and suffered and felt pain and sunburn and all kinds of things. So I really want to say, bless up to you, and again, bless up to this talented cast. Yeah, we all really did great, and yeah, it's great to be with you all.
I see some movie in Jamaica. This is the first time I see a movie in Jamaica where gun in it and a bullet in the fire. I really like find out how you get to maneuver around the gun business in Jamaica, given where I sit on the screen. I ain't never seen that yet. I don't know how you manage it. You could have just explain. If it was a deliberate thing, you just do it.
It was definitely very deliberate. The thing is, we know there's a presence of this dark side in our country. We know it, we live it, we live around it. But it is not who defines us. It's sometimes hard to tell a full story or a full complete word without referencing that. But that is not the point. And we don't need no gunshot to fire. You know what I mean? And in a way, even the typical approach of like this very moralistic, you do this bad thing and you need to be locked away and forgotten about, it's not really the way, it's not really the reality, you know what I mean? It's more important to show people falling down and making a wrong decision and getting back up and being surrounded by the people who love them, you know what I mean? So that is just I'm knowing this and having many films that are very much in that realm where there's gunplay and violence and you speak on that, and definitely we made a conscious effort, we all made a conscious effort to stay away from that because we don't need it.
You're on a dangerous path. No man can outrun the choices he makes.
So we have subtitles. I mean, how I feel about that is some of the greatest films I know of. My favorite films aren't in English. I'm watching films in Portuguese with subtitles, French, so for me, the story needs to be able to transcend that. And I mean, it's the first time we've ever shown the film without subtitles to our audience. And so yes, I feel like we're at a time right now in storytelling and that people are way more open. There's a need for fresh ideas and fresh voices from fresh places. And I think there's more value in keeping the language as close as possible whenever you can. And I just see a value there. Personally, I just want to thank Stamp for the opportunity to be a part of the film here. And I'm happy. I want to do more films. I'm hoping that more investors come to get us to do more films. As you can see, Jamaicans are very talented. This all started from a phone. I had an iPhone 4S and I used to make 15-second videos, and that went to 30 seconds, then it went to a minute. And now I'm doing a whole 2 hours. This guy is a great actor. He helped me a lot. She and I helped me a lot. She grilled me a lot.
And the KNPs are run up and down. Just the whole process we get it done was, all I could have offered to the process was my enthusiasm, I couldn't give it anything else. I couldn't see where it was going, but it just happened. That is just it. They don't want to build it up. They don't want to really carry it into the next millennium. I want everybody to feel what I want with Caribbean cinema right now. Please, guys, you know what I mean? We need to make sure so we are set it. I want to tell Sam thanks for just calling me one day and just say, yo, you forward.
When we get back, it's all about the Ray Proud moments, the Caribbean video, and the Magnum Top 10. We'll be right back.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.
What's up, guys? This is your Supergirl Danique, and I'm here to tell you how you can win big this new year with Lifespan Dash and Win promotion. From January 4th to April 26th, all you have to do is peel the label on your 500 ml Lifespan and enter the code on our website for your chance to win a brand new 2019 Suzuki Desire, a smart TV, and much more. See the press for details. Approved by the Betting, Gaming, and Lotteries Commission.
Change my number, can't stay home, cause you're that on my case like Sherlock Holmes.